This video is nothing like you've seen before because instead of telling you how to change and be a better person, I'm going to show you the process, an organized, systematic process to make that happen. Welcome to Efficiency and Organization. And as the name implies, this channel is all about having good systems, planning, having organized steps in place to be able to achieve anything you want to achieve, to be very successful in the things, in all your endeavors. So let's talk about how you can change for the better, okay? So instead of me telling you what you should do, kind of like preaching at you for what you should do to be a better person, I'm just gonna talk about the process, okay? So it's all gonna start with number one, having a vision. So your vision's gonna be, I wanna be a better person. Okay, that's gonna be followed by number two, writing a goal for yourself. I am a big fan of SMART goals. So SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. And I talk a lot about this on my website. I have like a whole page dedicated to goals. And I also have a playlist on this channel for goals. But your goal is going to be, I will be a better person between now and 3 months from now. So what we're doing is number one, we're starting with an I will statement, which is good for accountability. And then we're saying exactly what we're gonna do, and we're also making it timely, okay? So that way we can measure our progress. This is the part that's very important. You have to write it down, and I have a template you can use. Feel free to go to the description of the video and download it, or you just write it on any piece of paper. Write the vision, write the goal, and then write down the action steps, which is what I'm gonna talk to you about next. The action steps are, okay, you wanna be a better person. How are you gonna do it? Okay, so I am going to now give you about 10 examples. Actually, let's make that 12. I'll give you 12 examples. Your goal is to pick 3. If you pick any more than that, you're probably gonna overwhelm yourself. So we're gonna stick with 3. Choose 3, and you don't even have to use my examples. You could pick whatever other examples you research, but you have to have 3 specific action plans for how you're gonna make that goal a reality. Next, you're gonna have the mindset, you're gonna be very determined that no matter what, you are gonna make this goal a reality. You're gonna achieve this goal between now and 3 months from now. Next, after having your vision, your goal, your action steps, and then having that determination that now I'm gonna do this, you are going to post this somewhere highly visible. So that way you can refer to it frequently, because that's the problem with goals. I'm sure you've heard of many people, they set New Year goals and they don't achieve them. Why? Because it's out of sight, out of mind. No, not anymore. We're gonna post that somewhere highly visible, prominent, so that way we can refer to it and it can remind us, oh, I have a goal, I'm trying to be a better person. I have a goal, I'm trying to be a better person. Next suggestion is to get yourself a planner or a calendar or a combination. So I have this that I use, and this is my planner and calendar. As you could see, nothing fancy. I have 3 different examples of these in the description. You can check out on Amazon. Of course, I got this from Amazon, and I get a new one every year in December. But if you don't like to write things down, if you're a phone person, great. Get yourself a digital, your phone, and just go into the calendar, go into Google, and what you're gonna do is your action steps that you came up with on how to be a better person, you're gonna put that down once a week or once every 2 days or once a day in the planner, in the calendar. For example, let's say I wanna be a better person by volunteering more. Let's say I make the decision that once every week for about 15 minutes, I'm gonna go walk in my neighborhood and collect trash. Or once every week for 15 minutes, I'm gonna go to a local park and collect trash, because doing that is helping the community and it's gonna help me feel like a better person. What you're going to do is go into your calendar, whether it's on the phone, whether it's in here, and then once a week on a Saturday, Sunday, whatever it might be, you're going to write that down, okay? Because that's how you're going to make sure that you are achieving the goal. So that's what I mean by efficiency and organization, okay? So it's not just saying you're going to do things, it's actually having good systems in place, routines in place to make it happen. So once you write it, if you notice mine, look how many crosses I have. Every time I accomplish something, I cross it off, and you can do the very same thing on your digital phone if you like, but basically as you achieve each thing, you cross it off, you know you're actually staying consistent and you are following through with achieving the goal. And lastly, to hold yourself accountable some more, to make sure that you're sticking with this plan that you have, once a week you need to check your progress. So again, on your calendar, in your planner, every time you have a goal, you have to monitor your progress. So put it down maybe every Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, whatever it may be. Say, check progress of goals, check progress of goals. And then reflect, okay? Say, am I meeting the goal or am I not meeting the goal? Am I doing the action plans that I set out to do? If I'm not, what do I need to do differently the following week? What do I need to do differently tomorrow? What do I need to do differently today? And so before you know it, some of the things that you decide to change to be a better person will become a part of your normal, everyday, daily habits and routines and systems. And you'll just like yourself more. You'll like the new you. And it'll give you that boost of confidence, and it'll give you that great self-esteem to go out there and achieve even more wonderful things. I hope you found the video helpful. For more like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will catch you in the next video.